Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to sell AliExpress products on TikTok shop. First of all, you should pick the products that you want to sell. Then go to AliExpress and find a product with good reviews, fast shipping and reliable seller. And then go to TikTok shop and upload photos of the product or videos, write your description of that product and set a price that is higher than what it costs on AliExpress so that you make a profit. And when someone orders from you on TikTok shop, go back to AliExpress, place the order and ship it directly to your customer's address. It is very convenient because you don't need to hold any stock. It's all drop shipped. One more thing, that you should always keep your customer updated with tracking information, and you should respond quickly to any questions if they occur. So that's basically it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.